Easy and effective natural home remedies for cough. Honey. Combine honey and fresh lemon juice inside a glass of warm water. Drink a minimum of 3 times daily. Combine 2 teaspoons of honey inside a glass of hot milk. Consuming this prior to going to sleep and cure nighttime cough problem. Taking couple of teaspoons of honey with equal volume of beetle leaf juice, 1 hour after meals is really a proven ageold home cure for cough. Medicinal property of honey helps in reducing irritation in throat and neutralizes cough. Lemon. The tartness from the lemon causes it to be the very best medicine for cough. Lemon is typical in lots of natural home remedies because it works well for removing congestion and clearing the mucus. Using lemon for cough, squeeze a lemon inside a glass of warm water and a pair of teaspoons of honey. Drink this 2 times each day. Herbal tea. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice to glass of piping hot black. Heat unclogs the lung area and windpipe, and lemon removes the mucus, thus clearing the whole system. Drink this lemon black tea before breakfast and before you go to bed during the night and get relief faster.